Creating a matching pairs game in Educaplay is as easy as inserting the information of the pairs of elements you want to appear in the game. You can also give a title to Ray, your automatic creator powered by artificial intelligence, and let it do the works for you. Your players press on an element in each column to try to match them, and they get points for each correct pair. They can also link them, dragging from the end of an element and dropping on the other. If you want to make it more exciting, you can set time limits or a finite number of lives. Let's go! If you haven't done so yet, click Create Activity, choose Matching Pairs, and register or log in to start creating it. Once inside the editor, the easiest way to start creating your matching pairs is giving Ray a title so it creates it for you. Thanks to the artificial intelligence, Ray will create pairs with concepts related to the topic you have provided, and will leave the game ready for you to publish after you add, remove, or change whatever you want. You can also give Ray a piece of text to search for keywords and generate the matching pairs with them. If you want to create the game manually, insert the text, pictures, or audios you want to show in each element. You can also create an element combining a text with an audio or a picture. Place two related elements in the same row and the game will shuffle the items in each column, so players have to find the pairs. And that's all you need to create your matching pairs. If you go to the Info tab at this point and type in a title and description, you can now publish your game and share it with your players. If you want to create a matching pairs with a lot of elements, it is a good idea to separate the game in 2 or more screens. For example, 2 screens with 10 pairs each instead of a single one with 20 pairs. Go to the Options tab and turn on Penalize Mistakes if you want the player to lose lives for their mistakes. If you do this, you'll have to decide how many lives you give them before the game ends. Use the Time option if you want to set a time limit to solve each screen. With any advanced academic or commercial plan, you can use advanced options such as setting a background image, setting the game as private, showing a message when players pass the activity, or not showing them the correct answers when they finish. If you have a commercial plan, you can also customize the game with your logos and your corporate colors. You are almost there. Next, go to the Information tab where you can change the language of the activity interface and write the title and description. If you want, you can also choose where the activity is located in your educational system. You can also tag your activity to make it easier to classify. You can separate your tags with commas or pressing Enter. When your activity is ready to be published, you'll just have to click the Publish button. Once your activity is published, a screen will appear from which you can do many things. You can keep on creating activities, you can check the one you just created, you can get the link to share it, you can publish it in Google Classroom or other platforms, you can create a challenge with it, or you can keep on editing it. You can do all of this whenever you want. Just go to your profile and click the buttons below the activity.